PointsBet announces its partnership with PENN National Gaming and the Gaming Control Board in Pennsylvania to offer market-leading products to sports fans and bettors. With PENN National Gaming as their exclusive sports betting partner, PointsBet will utilize the media giant's premium television and digital assets to promote the PointsBet brand in Pennsylvania. PointsBet is grateful to the state of Pennsylvania for their support and dedication to the sports betting industry. We seek to provide customers in Pennsylvania with the best-in-class sports betting and online casino experience. NBC Sports provides PointsBet with year-round, multi-platform media and marketing opportunities across its unmatched portfolio of events, including exclusive multi-platform game day integrations across NBC Sports Philadelphia, regional broadcast home to the Phillies, 76ers, and Flyers. PointsBet's Spanish-language functionality will reach Hispanic sports fans via Telemundo Deportes and Telemundo broadcast stations. With NBC Philadelphia being a key asset in the NBC Sports portfolio, it will play a vital role in their ability to reach new customers and build brand recognition in this new market.